This is a 2022 Regal 36 Grand Coupe located in Madison, Wisconsin. At the stern, this boat does have a hydraulic swim platform. The seating does flip forward so that you can have beach access at all times. It does have a Kenyan grill on the stern. Very nice port lounger, as well as your flip stern seating. Let's enter inside this 36 Grand Coupe. Portside seating with plenty of storage. Above that you have storage for your table. A well-appointed galley. For additional entertaining space, you can drop the window. Which really opens up the inside to the outside. As you're entertaining, plenty of counter space, a lot of storage. We do have both refrigerators. A lot of room. Controls for your AC and heat. You do have a single burner Kenyan stove. Slide some of our items away, and under this one you have your sink. Trash receptacle. As you're entertaining, might be time to catch your favorite sports team on this nice flip down Samsung television. This brings ourselves to the Helm. Flip up bolster, footrest flips down. Full Garmin touchscreen, Fusion stereo, there's your bow thruster controls. This boat also, besides a bow thruster, has joystick controls as well. Currently 151 and 152 hours on the engines. If you want a little extra sunlight in or fresh air on that day, the sunroof does slide back. Provides a lot of open air. The companion seat does flip forward or reverse. If that person wants to be on the same level as the captain, there is a conveniently located hydraulic switch which will slowly raise the seat to bring you up to the level so you can see outside as well as be part of the conversation with the captain. From here we're going to access the forward seating. Nice wide walkway. Lounge seating up on the bow. Both seats do flip for additional seating. Plenty of cup holders. Of course, your light. Access to your Lumar windlass with its breaker conveniently located. You do have a walk around on both sides of the boat. Let's take a walk down. Very nice forward berth. Plenty of lighting. Plenty of storage. Do have your own TV here as well. Go into the head. With a shower. Down into the mid cabin. Beautiful waterline views on both sides of the boat. You do have a television down here as well. Again, plenty of storage. Again, this is a 2022 Regal 36 Grand Coupe located in Madison, Wisconsin. Offered by SkipperBud's.